do a soil sample, what you want to do is get you a shovel, the bag. You don't need the cardboard box yet. You want to find 3 spots out in the yard and dig down 3 to 4 inches and fill the bag up 3/4 of the way with a soil sample. If you dig your plug out right, you can stick your plug back in the ground. Like this. There you go. Let's do 2 more spots. Now that I've got 3 samples out in the yard, just close your bag up. Put it in the box they send you. Close it up. Put your piece of tape over here. Throw it in the mailbox, and you're done.